Tanisi. My name is Chief Howling, and I am the true discoverer of America. If you ask most people these days, they will say the true discoverer of America is Christopher Columbus, and those people are not surprised. I was the first discoverer of America. I crossed over the ice bridge in 16,500 BCE, which was long before Christopher Columbus even sailed the ocean. We were following animals that are now extinct. We are also descendants of the Asians, because scientists have found proof in our earwax blood and other DNA samples. Don't believe me? Historians have claimed indigenous peoples of the Americas have been linked to North Asian populations by linguistic factors. The distribution of blood types and genetic composition as reflected by molecular data, such as DNA. When other explorers landed in the New World, they found our wigwams, which were placed there long before any of the other explorers arrived. They also found arrowheads that were scattered around across the land. This shows that we were already hunting in the New World.